Namaste, Annyeonghaseyo, and welcome back to another vlog of GKS series. So the online application for GKS-G 2026 is already out. तो मैं आपको ये वीडियो में ऑनलाइन एप्लीकेशन जो है वो फिल करके पूरा एक्सप्लेन करूँगी. सो स्टे ट्यून टिल द एंड ऑफ द वीडियो. और बिफोर हैंड आप एक फोल्डर में आपके जो भी डॉक्यूमेंट्स हैं रिक्वायर्ड जो आपको अपलोड करना है ऑन द एप्लीकेशन, आप उसको एक फोल्डर में प्रिपेयर कर लो. सो इट वुड बी ईजी वाइल फिलिंग द एप्लीकेशन. यू कैन जस्ट चूज द फाइल फ्रॉम द फोल्डर एंड आप उसमें अटैच कर सकते हो. So without any further ado, let's get into the video.
Okay, so let's start. I will explain you all the process in detail. So first you have to come to Study in Korea website, and also you all can see the notice here of GKS. So the deadline is February 25th. So let's close this. So if you don't understand it in Korean, you can change the language here. So now we have to create an account here. So first we have to sign up. So check the boxes. Then you have to put some basic information in here. So I will choose India and name. So everywhere you write your name, make sure you write it as per your passport. So in the passport, my name is like the last name, my name, and then the middle name. That is my father's name. So you have to create an ID for yourself and check for duplication. No space and special characters are allowed.
Then you have to create a password.
And here, female. And you can choose your birth date here from the calendar. So I'll put some random birth date for now. And put your email ID.
You can also log in with your Google here.
So you can choose how did you find out about study in Korea. So I will just go for internet search and put the CAPTCHA. So that's all, and complete registration.
So now you have to log in with the credentials you made.
So now you're logged in. So now you have to go on plan your studies and then scholarships. Then you'll scroll down. You will see here graduate degrees. And then you have the user guide here, like they have explained in detail how to fill the form. And then here we have apply for GKS scholarship. So you'll click on this.
So let's start with the application form. So we have first GKS applicant agreement. So you have to agree to all these conditions. And the next. So next we have application track and information of the applicant. So first we have application track. So here we have embassy track. Then we have recommended embassy. So for me, it's Republic of India. Then we have application program, that is general. And we have degree program to apply. So for me, it's master's degree, but people who are going to apply for doctorate, you can go for it. So next is desired field of study division. So for my major, it is social science. You can check the field of study in the university file that is given in the GKS guidelines. So for me, it's social science. Also, they have mentioned here you can select multiple fields. Please refer to the university information file. So you can select here multiple field of studies also. Then you have information of the applicant. So here you have to put all the information about you. So first name. Then you have to put your phone number and email ID. Then we have Korean citizenship. So for me, it's no, and also for my parents, it's no. But if your parents has Korean citizenship, any of the one. In your case, you can click yes. Then we have to upload a photo here. So make sure the photo file which you have should be 3 centimeter into 4 centimeter. That is the rule you have to follow. So I will attach a file here. So I've made a folder, and from that I am attaching the files. And this file should be in the like JPG format. It shouldn't be in PDF format. Then you have choice of university and department. So here you have to choose two universities from type A, and for sure you have to choose one university from type B. And here also they have written field of study, division and department should match the information provided in the university information file. So you have to check it from the university file also, the department, because it differs from every university, the name of the department. So first you have to choose the type B university. So my type B university was Pusan National University here. And then my major was business, that is this, financial management. And this is something new that I've got to see. So they have mentioned the instructions, like medium of instruction is Korean and the required topic is level 5. So they are very strict about it. So if your major has level 5, then you have to get it before like going to the masters, and all the classes would be in Korean. Then my choice second university was Seoul National University, that is from type A university. So here it is. And the major is business. Here, business administration, finance. So here they have mentioned third level and English and Korean. Probably in some universities, they will give you some notes in English or they will have some classes in English, but it depends on the university. Then we have choice third. So my choice third university was Korea University. And then business, administration, finance. So here also they have mentioned third level and Korean and English. So that's it. So we move forward. Next. Then we have the language abilities. So if you have topic certificate, you can mention it here. So if you have given it online, then you click on topic IBT. And if you have given in this, like you went in the center and you have written the paper, so you have to choose topic PBT. Then do you consent to verify of your topic score? Then you select yes. And then you select in which topic number exam you have given it. So 101, 102, you select it. Just for example, I will select here and you put the number here of your registration number from the topic certificate, and you put, and then you put the topic level, what you got. So for now, I'll go for do not have a topic. Also, you can put your TOEFL and IELTS score here. So here you will put the information about where you did your high school. So I'll just put for here, and then location is India. And then you choose your year of graduation. And then you have here the bachelor's degree information that you have to put, so university name and location, and then your majors. And then your graduation date. If you have done any thesis in your degree program, you can write it here. And if you have published books and research papers, you can mention it here. Then we have master's degree. The people who are like applying for doctoral and research program, it's for them. Same information. And then we have doctoral degree for postdoctoral. So then next we have information on academic transcript grades. So here most of people get confused. I'll explain in simple. So first we have CGPA indicated on your original transcript. So here you will put the CGPA that is like actually on your result that you have got from your university. So for me, I will go to my graduation certificate, my degree, and here I have the marks. So my university provided me a 10 scale result. So in 10 scale I got 9.68. And then provide converted CGPA in this scales. So you have to select yes if like you don't have your results in one of these scales. So for me, it was the same. I had a 10 scale of results. So I have to get it converted in these scales. So I have my converted result. So great conversion. So here you have to put it in on the scale of like one of these scales. So I have got it converted in 4 scale and 3.94 I got. Then must be confirmed by school and university. So it should be confirmed by your school and university. It is also mentioned in the guidelines. For me, yes. I will also show you in the guidelines once. So here in the guidelines, they have mentioned that the converted transcript is only valid when the relevant university officially confirmed the document. So, and also if you convert it from like Scholaro or any other like website, you have to get it like officially confirmed. It is mentioned that officially confirms the document. It is required. So make sure that you get the document confirmed by your university. So then we have the score percentile. So here it is written, if your transcript does not have score percentile, refer to Appendix A GPA conversion table to convert your CGPA into 100-point scale. So here we have to go in the guidelines and we will find Appendix A. So here it is. So now I will show you how to do this. So here we have a 4-point scale. So I have converted my document in a 4-point scale. So in 4 scale, I have marks of 3.94. So what I will do in 4 scale, I will search here 3.94. So my marks comes under here 3.94. So my 100-point scale marks are 99. So I will write here 99. Then we have GPA indicated on your original academic transcript. If the transcript does not provide GPA or school percentile information by semester or academic year, applicants are required to enter the cumulative GPA in the first semester field of the first year section as the grade field. So here you have to put your like overall semester-wise marks. So usually we don't have these bifurcation in like first year and second year. And also for some people, they don't have like 4 year of college. For me also, I just have 3 year of college. So I will just put here in first semester. So here I have my transcript. So I will just put the total marks I obtained in like every semester. So for first year, I had semester 1 and semester 2. So I will put it. So 9.40 out of 10. And then semester I have 9.20 out of 10. Because every year I had 2 semesters, so I'm putting it according to that. So in second year, so according to that, I've filled the information. So here they have mentioned that if the transcript doesn't indicate CGPA, you can just provide the GPA. So this is my GPA and I don't have the total CGPA. So next we have previously received scholarship from Korean government or institutions. So if you have received any scholarship before from Korean government, you can mention it here. Then we have previous visits to Korea or currently residing in Korea if any. So if you have been to Korea before, you can mention it here. And if you're currently staying in Korea, you can also mention it here. Then we have recommenders information. So I will open my form 5. So I'm just gonna fill all the information from form 5. So the recommender's name. And then I have position and title. Then we have university institution name. Then we have postal code, institution address, and email ID, and telephone number. So then we have personal statement. So I will just paste it from my application. Also after pasting it, make sure you check it once. And then we have study plan. So then we have Korean language program exemption application. So this form is for applicants who are currently university professors applying to a department that offers 100% English instructions. So whoever's program is like fully in 100% English, they can apply for this form. And then we have a personal medical assessment. So I have selected no for now. So for you all guys, you should read and check all the things and you have to do it accordingly. So for the submission of documents, I've prepared a folder I mentioned before. So I've prepared a folder like this where I've put all the documents that I need so I can easily just upload the documents that is needed. So make sure you also like prepare a folder like this. So we'll start. So first we have recommendation letter. So for recommendation letter, it is important that you download this letter of recommendation that is also available in the guidelines, the form 5. So what you have to do is you have to fill that form 5 also, and then you have to also take like you have to also get the letter of recommendation that your like professor has provided. So if your professor has written the letter of recommendation in this form itself, then you can just upload that form here. But if your professor has provided the letter of recommendation on like the letterhead or other paper, so what you have to do is you will put two documents like together in one PDF. So this form and the letter of recommendation that your professor has provided you. So make sure you attach both of them here. So for now I have the form 5, so I will attach that. So I have here, and you can see it here, so it has been attached. And if you want to delete it, you can delete it from here, but you can just attach only one file. So make sure you merge the files, like two files, and attach it here. So next we have applicants, parents, proof of citizenship, and family relation document. So here I have merged my mother's voter ID and father's voter ID in one document. So here I have parents proof of citizenship, so I will attach it here. Then we have bachelor's graduation certificate. So I will attach my graduation degree here. Then we have bachelor's degree transcript. So I will attach my transcript. Then we have proof of overseas Korean document, not applicable for me. And then the next, and this, if applicable, kindly check it and attach it. So here we have certificates of employment or work experience. So actually I don't have a soft copy of my experience letter. So if you have, you can attach it here. If you have any kind of work experience, you should make a PDF file and you should attach it here. Then we have score report of valid topic and English proficiency test. So if you have topic, IELTS, TOEFL, anything, so you can attach it here. Then we have awards and other certificates. So this is the most important thing, that here you have to combine all your other certificates in one PDF file and you have to attach it. So make sure you do it properly. Also I will recommend you that you give a like numbering to all the documents you will attach here. Like you at the top you can just write that whatever document it is, like if you're attaching like your certificates, so write like which certificate is that, any seminar, so you just write it and number it, so it is easy to like look. Then we have lastly the applicant's passport, so I will attach my passport here. So here it is. So if you don't have the passport, it is not necessary. Then make sure you save the draft, so all the information you have filled will you can like access it again. Then we'll go next. So here is the final confirmation. So you will check all the information that you have filled in the application form here. So make sure you check one by one like all the information in here, because this is the final step and you cannot change your application form once it is filled. So make sure you check everything here. You have all the information here. Then you have to submit it. For me, I'm not submitting it, but for you all guys, you will submit this application form, and after that you have to get a print, like you can get a hard copy also, like get it print, or you can just save it as a PDF in your like folder. So make sure you do that. After you submit the application, you will get a print size application of it, and you can also see your preview of your application. So this is what I was talking of. You have your application form in like all the application form here. So when you get selected afterwards, you have to take the print of this form and submit it to the embassy afterwards. And in this, you shouldn't print the form 5 because you have to give it separately. So you don't need to print the form 5, just all the other documents. And you should attach the form 5 with the letter of recommendation separately. Or you can just save your PDF file. So this is how it looks. So that's it for my today's video. और अगर आपको कोई भी query हो तो आप comment section में उसको mention करना. I will try my best to reply to you all. And all the best for all the applicants applying for GKS-G 2026. Till then, see you in my next vlog. Bye bye.